A lot of you are out there searching for a way to make money online. So make sure you save this video, follow me if you're not following me, because I teach you how to make money online so you can ditch your 9 to 5. So I've been through multiple courses and I believe that is well known, and I'm okay with that because that is part of my journey. But I want to share with you what I went through and the different courses that are out there so you can make the best choice for you. Today, I'm going to give you my opinion and my experience with Legendary, Group Juice, Passive Income Blueprints, and Learn and Earn Profits. The first one I'm going to talk about is Legendary. Legendary is the 15-day business builder challenge that teaches you how to be an affiliate marketer. So when I first started, I was on TikTok and I came across a girl talking about how to make money online, and she was marketing Legendary Marketer. It only costs $7 to get started, which is true, but nobody talks about the upsell. There is an upsell on day 4 or 5. I can't remember because it's been a long time since I've gone through Legendary, but when you book your call with your advisor, they push you and encourage you to spend $2,500, and they actually make you feel like you cannot be successful, or maybe you do not have the business mindset if you don't spend the $2,500. I don't think Legendary is a step-by-step how-to. I think their videos are very long, and honestly, I felt like they were teaching me at a level that I really didn't comprehend. Legendary does teach you the copy paste method. They basically tell you to go watch other people's videos and just copy and paste. You will not learn to brand yourself branding Legendary because, again, you're an affiliate marketer for them. So your only earning is your earnings are by commission. So you're earning like 30-40%. I do know you can earn more just depending on how much money you spend and if you opt into a different level. Legendary also shows you to build your business using ClickFunnels and Aweber, and that would be an overhead of $130. I have like a step-by-step how-to. This is where I got stuck when I was building my business because I didn't have anybody showing me how to build my funnel or where to put my affiliate links. So I got stuck, and that's when my journey began on searching for the perfect product. So guys, make sure you save this video because obviously this is going to take me quite a few videos to get through all of it. So make sure you check out the videos. This is part 1.